Welcome to Top Tier Success. Today's video might probably be one of our shortest ever, but it is filled with valuable insights to help you steer your life in the right direction in order to achieve your goals. We felt compelled to make this video because we've noticed that many of us spend a lot of time scrolling through social media. While it's easy to get lost in the consumption of content, it's essential to remember that the real rewards come to those who create and produce. As we approach the end of the year, we have just 3 months left. If you feel like you're falling behind on your goals, I encourage you to take these next 3 months to laser focus on them. Nobody else can do it for you. No matter how much motivation, inspiration, or positive affirmations you receive, action is the key. Don't wait for the new year to start something new. The last 3 months of this year can be incredibly productive if you put your mind to it. You might be amazed at what you can achieve when you dedicate yourself to the task at hand. In our own experience, a significant portion of our business revenue comes in during the final quarter of the year. So, if you're feeling tired and don't want to wait for a new year to make changes, why not start now? It might demand time and energy, but the results you can achieve by putting in the effort might just shock you. We've not been uploading much these days because we've been hard at work, focusing on the tasks necessary to achieve our goals for this year. However, we felt compelled to create this video because we believe someone out there needs to hear this message. In today's digital age, it's easy to get lost in the world of social media, where a lot of time is spent sharing content that doesn't truly benefit our lives. There's an abundance of politics, memes, and various distractions. But if you find that your life isn't where you want it to be, the solution is simple. Put your head down and work. This is not just another motivational video, it's a challenge. We're approaching the end of the month, and a new quarter is about to begin, the final stretch of the year. It's an opportunity to do something different, something that your future self will look back on with gratitude. Take action now, and you'll thank yourself later. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to drop a comment down below with your thoughts and any questions you may have. We would like to hear from you. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.